Here I have REALME C55, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see REALME logo appeared, you can release keys. After you see these small letters here saying recovery mode, that means that you're already entering recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode you can use just like touch screen, or you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. And you have such options: format data, reboot device and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot device, and after that your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.